Okay, now we're gonna show you the powers and ability, and also the Heroclix card. And I'll get it for you. So here's the Heroclix card. Just get it out here. So here we've got different cards to do with different characters of a Heroclix. So let's I don't have the card for Superman, but I have the card for Deadpool and stuff, which we'll get that in the set. I'll just show you the powers and ability card. So here's the powers and ability menu that teach you how to use the abilities. Whenever you get new characters, this will always pop up with your ability. Like example, say you got Superman with his speed value on the top. You might not see it, but the speed value is grey, and that is running shot. So you give this character a power action and half its speed value for the action, and moves the character up the speed value made given the running shot. So a running shot is like this as an example. So say the speed value is 8, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you go 1, 2, 3. Then he moves up to there. It's that simple. And it's also in the next dial it shows you a cat. And the cat is white, and it normally means special power, and you see it on the card, but I don't have a card for that, so it's gonna be difficult, but that's fine. And also on the fan it shows green. I think that's here we go. Energy stealth defeat. Modify this character defense value by 2+ against the range combat attack. The range combat is that it's that right symbol thing, which you can't see it, but that's okay. And also during with the Heroclix thing, you get these action token. Now you can buy these action token actually with the Heroclix stuff. Buy this new poker set instead. Also you get these 6 dice, 6-sided dice for this. And how to play, for example. Alright, so let's just start off with like Deadpool and all that. We won't worry about the card, we'll just show you a basic rule. Okay. So here we got Superman. So speed is 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Including running shot, 1, 2, 3. It's right there. Then we move up Deadpool as example. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We move Superman. So then each time you'll take turn. Then Superman goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So say you want to do a cat, so we'll roll the die, and you add that number to that die. So 5, 7, 8, and on the dial it's got 10. So then you add that up, 18, and on the fence on Deadpool it said 17. So you go 18 minus 17 is 1, right? So then you do 1 click. So how you do it, it's kind of hard. So then you move to click on your dial, So then that's one click. And that's basically it. Yeah. There's more to it too, but this is just the basic rules of how to play too. And that's mainly it. If you want to learn more, you can, there's more video coming up for that. And I'll post it pretty soon. So, see you later.